2012 Juke. The Juke is an adaptable and intelligent ride where all-wheel drive agility and handling meet turbocharged performance. This unique, sporty compact crossover fits your personal style perfectly and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.